we may soon be eating sushi made with lab-grown fish, because it's so much more sustainable to make a laboratory with all these metals, all these mined minerals. It's so much more sustainable to make a laboratory and then get some serum from a fish and put that in a test tube and then grow meat in there. That's more sustainable than just letting fish multiply in the oceans and in the rivers. No, we have to patent everything. We got to patent it all. We got to patent the corn. We got to patent the tomatoes, patent the seeds. We got to patent the pesticides that we spray on those things to destroy the soil, destroy the biomes of the animals that are eating it, so that it'll kill them, so that we can grow more of those GMO plants, so that we can feed those GMO plants to people. But don't worry, the GMO plants are super good to eat. Right? They're just sprayed with pesticides that are designed to explode the internal organs of insects. But it's okay if you eat them. It's totally cool. And it has nothing to do with the super high cancer rates that we see now since the use of all this industrial agricultural technology. That has nothing to do with the skyrocketing cancer rates, with your peers getting cancer. Like, why do we know people? Why do we know so many people have brain tumors? Why are so many young people getting brain tumors? It's madness. It's madness. The same people that are marketing you glyphosate and dicamba, some of the most toxic compounds known to man, these same people, they're going to save you by injecting you with some stuff. Don't worry, it's tested for a few weeks. We had to rush it for your own good. The impact of a vegan diet on pregnancy outcomes. To determine the effect of maternal vegan diet on pregnancy outcome is the objective of this study that we find on nature.com. It's a prospective observational study. Women with a singleton pregnancy who maintained the same diet prior to and throughout current pregnancy were enrolled. Stratification was performed according to diet types: vegans, lacto-ovo-vegetarians, fish eaters, and omnivores. Remember, the UN is pushing us all to be vegan. They're telling us the fake milk is better than the real milk. Hey, your fake bot relationships are better than real relationships. The UN pushes this. They tell you go plant-based. Well, guess what? Conclusion: the vegan diet is associated with an increased risk for small to gestational age newborns and lower birth weight. Increased risk for gestational age newborns and lower birth weight. They're retarding the growth of human beings with these diets. And it's well known that if you deprive certain nutrients, especially animal-based nutrients, zinc, iodine, calcium, bioavailable heme iron, if you restrict these essential nutrients to a growing child, it will stunt their growth. If you restrict it when they're in the womb, they will be permanently affected. So they're trying to get you to get on the gut-busting soy formulas. They want to get you on the fake meat made out of pea protein isolate and expeller-pressed rapeseed oil, canola oil, and like hemoglobin, GMO heme iron from soybeans that are genetically modified. That's all so good for you, but it's well known that nutrient deficiencies associated with vegan diets, and as this study shows, just straight up vegan diets associated with increased risk for gestational age newborns and lower birth rate, which lower birth rate and small for gestational age newborns, they have higher risk for chronic disease and for neurological diseases. What the hell are we doing trusting these people that are telling us to do this? It's insane.